In Chapter 3, I will introduce some basic skills of uploading, analyzing, and visualizing data on ArcGIS Enterprise. The first part is about uploading data to ArcGIS Enterprise. There are three different ways. First, you can publish directly from ArcGIS Pro. This is a seamless process where, after preparing your data, you can publish it straight to your ArcGIS Enterprise environment. Secondly, you can publish from the ArcGIS Enterprise portal itself. The portal provides a web interface where you can upload data files, create services, and manage your content directly within the ArcGIS Enterprise ecosystem. Lastly, for more automated approaches, you can use the ArcGIS API for Python. This API allows for powerful scripting, enable you to upload, manage, and publish data, which is particularly useful when working with large data sets. And we will show the first way publishing from ArcGIS Pro in exercise 2 later. So we won't talk more about it here and just give a quick look for the second and third way. You can upload and publish data directly through the portal interface. And this is just what the interface looks like. And under the content tab, you can choose a new item to upload the data to portal. And you can also use ArcGIS API for Python. You can install the package using Conda or pip, and then connect to ArcGIS Enterprise using URL and add content. The second part is analyzing spatial data using ArcGIS Enterprise. There are also three different ways using ArcGIS Pro, which will show in exercise later. Using MapViewer Classic on ArcGIS Enterprise, and using ArcGIS API for Python, and they are corresponding to uploading methods respectively. And we will also just give a quick look about the second and third method and introduce the first method in exercise. For MapViewer Classic is in the ArcGIS Enterprise portal, and that's what it looks like. And there is a map so that you can use it to analyze. For ArcGIS Python API, it provides a comprehensive suite of tools that can be utilized for implementing geographic analysis. And these tools enable you to automate, process, and analyze large amounts of spatial data. Finally, for visualization on ArcGIS Enterprise, you can still use ArcGIS Pro or MapViewer Classic on ArcGIS Enterprise Portal or ArcGIS API for Python. And similarly, we will show how to use ArcGIS Pro to visualize on ArcGIS Enterprise in exercise. Now it's time for exercise 2, and we will upload, analyze, and visualize data on ArcGIS Enterprise in this exercise. The data we used is facility shapefile. It is on our GitHub repo. Now let's move to exercise 2. For the second exercise, we will upload, analyze, and visualize data. Firstly, let's upload data to ArcGIS Enterprise using ArcGIS Pro. As we have opened ArcGIS Pro, we will continue. To begin with, let's ensure the current active portal is ArcGIS Enterprise. We can see it here. The account we logged in is ArcGIS Enterprise. Then let's open the facility shapefile. We have provided the data on our GitHub repo. And I have make a connection to the folder, and I just add facilities shapefile to the map. Uh, Drag it, and now we can see it includes several points in California. And we want to upload this data to ArcGIS Enterprise. Uh, First, right-click the data and choose sharing, and then share as web layer. Then there shows a share as web layer panel on the right side, and we need to set the description for the data, and we can give it a name like facilities. And to store the data in the cloud without using local storage, we need to choose copy all data here. And because it's a vector file, it's point data, so we need to choose feature here. And then we can choose the location we want to upload to. And if it's our first attempt to log into our account, so there is only a root folder, and we can create a new folder like workshop, and then it will upload to the workshop folder on the portal. Then we can choose who we want to share this data with. It is important when you want to collaborate with others, but here we just want to use it ourselves. So I won't check anything here. And then after all the settings, click Analyze. If an error appears stating unique numeric IDs are not assigned, you can click the three dots icon or right click it. Then choose Auto Assigned IDs sequentially. Once the error is resolved, click Publish. After a successful upload, you can see the feature layer under the Content tab in the portal. In the workshop folder, we can see the facilities feature layer we just uploaded. And we can also access it in ArcGIS Pro. And we need to go to a catalog panel and go to Portal tab. In My Content under Workshop folder, there is a feature layer called Facilities, and we can add it to the map. And to distinguish it between the local one, we can add a suffix called web. Okay. The next, we will analyze data on ArcGIS Pro using ArcGIS Enterprise. Under the Analysis tab, click Tools. And on the right side, there is a Geoprocessing panel. Here we click Portal. Under this tab, These tools run remotely on the server. And we can see a cloud icon on the lower right corner. Then we expand the first one and then expand use proximity and select create buffers. And we will use this tool as a demo. And we can choose facilities. In fact, both layers can be used here. And we use facilities web as an example. Uh, Here, the output name is the feature layer you want on the ArcGIS Enterprise because these tools just output the results to the cloud. It won't appear on your local machine. And we type facilities buffer here. Then the distance is the how large is the buffer you want. And we set 10 and the distance unit as miles here. Then we click run. The results will be added to the map and can be viewed in the portal. Let's go back to the browser and in my content, you can see the facilities buffer feature layer we just generated. And also in the ArcGIS Pro, go to catalog panel, uh, portal tab, and you see the facilities buffer feature layer here. Finally, we will analyze data on ArcGIS Enterprise. This time, let's go to the Share tab and click Web Map. In the Share as Web Map panel on the right, enter the name of the map you want to visualize, and you can give it some description. And, we give it name as points and buffer. And for visualization, we can just choose copy all data visualization. Then also choose the folder you want to upload to. And we still choose workshop. And then choose who you want to share this map with. And I also won't choose anything here. Then click Analyze. Now we can see there are several errors, no worries, and we will address them. The first error is about service layer has a different projection with base map. And we just need to click the three dot icon and choose update map to use base map's coordinate system. And the same for the second one. Then we can analyze it again because we have addressed one. And now we can see there are no errors. So it's time to share. Now the share is successful and we can go to the portal for ArcGIS Enterprise and go to my content and go to content. And we can see the web map we just shared. And click it, click the name of the web of the map. And choose Open in Map Viewer Classic. Now we can see the map we just visualized from ArcGIS Pro. And you can also share this map to others using link. We click share and can share it to everyone. And then this link can be used to access this map. You can try it. Let's start a new tab and type the link of the map. And it appears here. Okay, that's all for the second exercise.